Hello everybody, I have got good news today. That's that beautifully wound stator core. I've labeled all the phases here on these, and I'll let you get another good look at that winding. It ain't perfect, but it's not bad. I can't tell you how happy I am that this thing is done. Maybe. I hope it works. That's not done yet. Alright, the next part is to feed the wires through the mount. The wires are going to go through these holes here and then get fed up this hollow area and come out the top. Let's give it a little bend. Importantly, I need to re-tape what phase this is before I start unlabeling stuff and getting everything confused. Which one is this? C. Yeah, I think I can actually fit this through the other C port, the other one that C is going through already. This is the one that's going to go to the electronic speed controller. Oh shoot. 3D printer was doing some stuff. Okay, now we're going to make this thing shimmy down in there. Basically, I'm just trying to figure out which wires I need to pull on to try to shorten it in there. It's kind of like all of them all at the same time, right? But they're all kind of freaking crisscross. Oh gosh, that looks so good. Ho 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 ho, yes. I am very pleased. Very pleased. And the next step will be to add some heat shrink tubing. I gotta go get different stuff. This stuff's too big. I can see how maybe the guy got a fourth wrap in here based on what I can push into the troughs here. But man, getting it hooked around those teeth would have been extremely difficult for me.